Hey there, it's Tim and Sandy along with our adorable Chihuahua Pablo. Recently, we've embarked on an exciting adventure, leaving behind all our possessions to embrace full-time van life in our Sprinter. Join us as we navigate the challenges and share the ups and downs of our journey. This week we experience more of the positive parts of van life and exploring. You are watching the Sandvan. Well, good morning from our humble home. So last night was actually quite a good night. We managed to score a park up right next to a live band. Well, it's near a pub which had a live band last night. So we were chilling out in our couch watching, well, listening to music and having a few drinks, which I thought was pretty time. I thought it was pretty good. Couldn't have scored a better sight, to be honest. And this morning we had a bit of battery issues. Well, not issues, just unsure of how to set up the lithium, eh?
Yes, so the lithium battery charger turns off at a certain current so that it will switch over and run your appliances like your fridge, which run all the time. It's a weird process and it's a weird thing, but I think we had it set to the wrong level, and so it turned off the charge and just went back to running the fridge and stuff. And then, so we weren't getting any solar in, and that's why we didn't have anything going in it. But it's all good now. We've reset it, and we, fingers crossed, touch wood, everything, touch wood, everything. We will get it going.
We will get there one day.
We're charging at the moment, which is good, but the solar panels are dirty, so we need to clean them later on.
So we've got something exciting happening today. We are going on a little boat trip down at the Tweed, and we'll take you along as per usual. What is it, a lunch?
It's a rainforest and river boat cruise with a vegetarian grazing plate, all food and drinks included.
Yay! Let's head up. This man, he's in shorts. It's getting into summer here, and it's just weird seeing him in shorts. Look at those white legs. Very nice.
Van builders' calves.
We were actually running a tad late for this cruise as we had let's say a wrong turn incident on the way. So we were actually the last ones on the cruise. Well, we made it. We're a little bit late due to a little incident on the way here. But we made it, and looks like it's going to be a beautiful day. Introducing Tweed Eco Cruises, affectionately known as TEC. They've been gracefully navigating the river since 1988 aboard the iconic Golden Swan, a vessel steeped in history, having been built in 1972. Nowadays, TEC is your go-to for eco-tour adventures in the region. They do it all from traditional river cruising to throwing epic weddings and corporate events. Back in the day, it was just one boat and a couple of crew members. Fast forward and they've got a fleet of 4 boats, all run by friendly local folks who really know the lay of the land. The Tweed Valley is right up there with the Daintree and Kakadu as one of Australia's biodiversity hotspots. You've got the river, the mountains, and all those beautiful beaches, all in one sweet package. During the tour, you will also be able to witness the awe-inspiring birds of prey gracefully swooping down for a feed that the tour provides. I'm not much of a bird person myself, but those powerful wingspans are pretty hard to ignore. Seeing birds that close. So cool. They also serve up some tasty lunch, and they've got your drink sorted as well. The scenery for the day was absolutely spectacular. A must-do if you're in the region. Before we knew it though, it was time to head back. Well, I really enjoyed that. Did you enjoy it?
I really enjoyed it.
That was so good. Although I was expecting to see some dolphins. There was promise of some dolphins chasing the boat.
Yeah, there was pictures of dolphins chasing boats, but today they did not chase
no,
the boats.
we've got lots of birds and birds of prey, and
it was beautiful. Don't get us wrong.
It was absolutely stunning. Now we've come back. I think see, I don't know if you've noticed, but in our van, our towels don't match. I'd like to get some matching towels. What a way to end the day. Not that we're fussy with colours of towels, but you know how you just get a new house, which we have got a new house, you just want everything to be
coordinated.
Yeah. Well, that was a very tiring day. We just got back to our site, and I think these will go really well. We just saw the tag on them, and they just got reduced from 60 to 23. Bargain. So we're going to go down to the restaurant and have a few drinks at the pub that's next door, because we can hear a lot of music down there, and why not? I just need to get changed to something warmer, but I might leave you there for today because we're not going to be able to film down there because it's fairly loud. We'll see you tomorrow. Good morning. This morning we are going to sort out that front cab area because it's like a bomb site. Every time I bring down the bed and go to bed at night, everything just sort of gets shoved up there. We don't have particular places for things, and it's really important to actually have everything that has a place. Otherwise your van gets really messy. So we're sorting that out this morning. Tim's sorting that out this morning. I'm editing a video for you guys. We've got something happening this afternoon, which is exciting. But anyway, let's get on some editing and we will take you out on something exciting in a second. Well, we got a heap done this morning. I edited, well, not a whole video, but we, got some done. So Tim has tidied up our upper cabinet storage. So we are off now to whale watching. We are at the famous Marina Mirage at Main Beach. I'm about to say Southport. I always think it's in Southport. It's not. And we're about to hop on a whale watching cruise with the company
Gold Coast whale watching.
Gold Coast whale.
We're going
watching.
on the Spirit of Gold. The Spirit of Gold Coast.
Yes. And
catamaran, I believe.
So it should be a good day. They told me it was going to be cold, but it is a stinker. It's about 24, 25, and I've got a hot jacket on and a hat.
Yeah, but we know when as soon as we get out to sea, it's going to get cold. It always does.
See our boat up ahead, the whale watching boat, and it looks absolutely packed, top and bottom. It's gonna be one of those days.
It's gonna be heaving.
It's gonna be bad.
We're already getting a bit whaled out.
Yeah.
We've just seen so many whales.
They're just popping on the water now. I'm just like, oh yeah, they're nice.
The excitement is gone.
I was impressed. Say in the comments who's been in a whale watching cruise and seen the whale breach, because I haven't had that yet. I've always seen a tail,
Yeah.
but not the breaching. And you have your camera ready, doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter how long you do it. They just won't. They won't perform when you want
They
them to.
won't perform.
We still saw lots of them, and it was
Yeah, that
still
was
really
the most
nice.
I've ever seen. That was 4 or 5 different dolphins. So dolphins,
Dolphins, whales.
whales.
They're humpback whales. This one.
They are, yeah. So we're just waiting on some crowds to clear, and then we are going to head to dinner to CSI. It's a little RSL in Southport with fairly cheap meals.
RSL is Return Services Leagues for those ones that
Yeah,
don't know what it is.
I'm pretty hungry. I think I'm gonna have a pizza. Right, we are back to home sweet home. We are so tired. I think it's all the fresh sea air that makes everybody tired. So we're going to get ready for bed, go have showers, and we shall see you next week for more fun and games. What's happening next week?
We got to fix the turbo pipe that's split, so that turns up tomorrow. So you'll get to see that amazing thing.
Please like the video and subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see you then.
Bye.